Dear Cheri, do edibles show up on a drug test, or do you have to smoke cannabis in order for that to happen? And if they do show up on a drug test, how long do edibles stay in your system? Thank you. Well, that's a good question. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor. If you get value out of my videos, please hit that like button as well, as it helps us be seen in the YouTube algorithms. Okay, back to the original questions. Question number 1, will consuming edibles show up on a drug test? Yes, absolutely they will. The ingestion method doesn't really matter. The only cannabis products that don't show up on a drug test are topicals that you rub on your skin, and there's even an exception to that, which is a transdermal patch. But edibles definitely will show up in a drug test, just as smoking or vaping cannabis will. Now, the problem is it's not really how long they stay in your system as far as how long do you feel high or anything like that. The problem is that cannabis can stay in the system and show up in a drug test long after the effects of it wear off. This is the reason that the per se driving limits that some states have imposed are absolute nonsense, because the amount of cannabis that shows up in a drug test has absolutely nothing to do with your impairment. Nonetheless, the law is what it is at this point, and you definitely need to be concerned about it. So how long do you need to wait? It can be up to about 3 months before your system is completely clean of it. Different types of tests will affect how long it stays in your system in different ways. But a hair test, up to 3 months, you're going to still see detections of the cannabis. A urine test, maybe up to a month or more, you still will have that in your system. Saliva tests and blood tests are less, so they're better with that type than other types. But again, cannabis THC showing up in a drug screening has nothing to do with impairment, but if you need to pass a drug test, you are going to want to stay clean for about 3 months to be absolutely safe. There are products that can help, and again, this will depend on what type of a test you're going to take. So I hope this helps. Stay safe out there, and I hope you pass the drug test. See y'all next time. Eat your weed.